Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where your computer monitor has a yellow tint on the screen, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, in 90% of the cases, the real reason is that the night light is switched on. Now, here's what the night light does. It removes the blue tint on your screen, and the only thing left is the yellow tint. So the white color you see is a mixture of blue, red, yellow, but and green also, but when the blue tint is removed, then the yellow becomes more prominent. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab, select display. There's an option for night light. If it is on, see, it can lead to a yellow tint. Make sure that this is off. This should be off. And the next thing that you have to do is that you need to update the graphics card driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one, update drivers. Right click on the second one, update drivers. Okay, so this is what will help you. And if a third party software is causing this, then the best solution is a clean boot. So search for search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.